The watcher has an irresistible urge to keep lifting their fingers far beyond the horizontal position so they can see what you are doing or how far you are in the process. And no matter how many times you use the phrase, relax your hand, you're never going to get them to stop. By using the Ergo Lift, you can control the ability to lift their fingers and hand that prevent you from doing your job. Not only does this excess movement cause strain on the hand and wrist, but it adds time to the service. When the client hand is comfortably resting on the contoured palm rest, the fingers hang downward so you can work on one finger at a time with zero weight of the client on your hand. Most of the time you are able to manipulate the client finger position by positioning and holding on with the pressure of your thumb, but it doesn't prevent the client from wanting to lift the fingers. Here is where the three-finger jacket comes into play. When I get to her left hand, she wants to keep her pinky finger extended, and this causes tension in all the fingers. When I get to the ring finger, I realize this and move to the three-finger jacket. By moving my index finger to the top, I can trap the finger I am working on to prevent the stiff finger and trap the middle and index finger back down behind my hand where they should be, so I can work without leaning forward, compromising my body posture. Now you have complete control over the watcher.